Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is a sweet chili chicken bowl. Sweet chili chicken is a really great high protein addition to a salad or a rice bowl. Today is gonna be a low carb, high protein rice bowl. I've been really into these protein bowls lately, so this is one of my go-to chicken recipes. It's a variation of something I've done previously, but in bowl form. So let's jump right in. First thing I'm going to do is prep some chicken. I have 2 chicken breasts, of course. It's going to depend on how many chicken breasts or you're going to eat, or if you're going to meal prep. This is a really, really great meal prep. So I'm just gonna put a glove on so I don't get my hand dirty with the chicken. And all we're going to do is we are going to dice it. So I'm gonna take my chicken. We're gonna cut it into 1-inch cubes. After I slice it down, I just turn it and I'm going to cut it to make it into my cubes. The great thing about these chicken bowls, or honestly any kind of protein bowls, is you can keep the base the same and make a bunch of different toppings to put on it. In this case, we're doing chicken, but you could do all different kinds of proteins. And they hold up super well in the fridge for about 2 to 3 days once it's cooked. So really, really great for an easy dinner time or lunchtime meal. I'm gonna dump all of my chicken into a bowl, and now we're ready to season. So for our seasonings, I'm gonna be doing some sesame oil. I'm gonna add about 2 tablespoons of sesame oil, low sodium coconut aminos, also about 2 tablespoons. And these measurements are for 2 chicken breasts, so of course if you're gonna make more, then you're just gonna increase the amount of ingredients that you're using for the marinade. We're also gonna add a tablespoon of our gochujang paste. This is our sweet chili paste. It is a fermented chili paste. I absolutely love adding this to a lot of dishes. And it's not that high in carb, especially if you're making for a larger dish. Like we're using 1 tablespoon for all this chicken. This is going to be 2 to 3 portions for a meal. So really not that high in carb and really good for your macros. We're also going to add 1 tablespoon of minced garlic. I'm just using the garlic that's in a jar. If you wanna do fresh garlic, that's fine as well. But since this is a marinade, I'm just gonna make it really simple and use the minced garlic. Adding some black pepper, about 1/4 teaspoon, and then 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Let's mix that all together. Let's set this aside to marinate for about 5 to 10 minutes while we prep our sides. For the side on my bowl, I'm gonna be doing crispy Brussels sprouts. You could also do the same thing with broccoli if you prefer broccoli to Brussels sprouts. The seasoning will be the same, and to cook it in the air fryer will be the same as well. So I am currently preheating my air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 2 to 3 minutes while I season the Brussels sprouts. I've already cut off the bottoms and I've sliced them in half. And for the seasoning, what we're going to add is 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Of course, you guys know all of my measurements will be down in the description below. And if you haven't already subscribed to my channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button down below and also like this video while you're at it. Let's also add a little bit of black pepper. I just sprinkle it on there. Sprinkle on some salt and some garlic powder. Just going to mix this all around to coat. After 2 to 3 minutes, your air fryer tray will be hot. You're gonna take your Brussels sprouts and just dump them into the tray. I'm using a liner. You don't have to use a liner, but if you wanna purchase the liners that I'm using, I've linked them down in my Amazon links in the description below. Also, if you're looking for a good air fryer, make sure to check out the Tasty Air Fryer. I've included my discount code in the description below as well. We're gonna take our Brussels sprouts and air fry them for about 15 to 16 minutes at 375 degrees Fahrenheit. My air fryer happens to just do by the 10 degrees, so you could do 370 or 380, either one will be fine, but 15 to 16 minutes and giving it a toss halfway through will be perfect crispy Brussels sprouts. While our Brussels sprouts are cooking in the air fryer, we're going to cook our chicken. I'm heating a nonstick pan to medium heat, and once it is hot, you're going to take some avocado oil spray. I like this one by Chosen Foods, not sponsored, just a great product. And I'm going to spray it into my pan. We're going to take our chicken and cook it. I'm just going to take it out, put in a little bit at a time. Make sure it's all spread out in the pan. We're gonna let it cook, just standing as it is, not tossing or anything, for 1 minute. After 1 minute, give your chicken a toss, and you're just gonna continue cooking until it is cooked all the way through. The great thing about this chili paste is that when you're cooking, you get this nice caramelization and it gets nice and brown, a little bit sticky. It is so, so, so delicious. So I actually like to cook the chicken until it gets a little bit crispier, stickier on the outside. Our chicken is ready, our Brussels sprouts are ready. Let's go ahead and plate. For our bowl, I'm gonna be using my rice of choice, which is this one. I absolutely love the one by Miracle Noodle. You guys have heard me talk about it a million times, not sponsored, but I absolutely love it. It is so, so great for a rice alternative with no guilt and none of the carbs and no weird aftertaste. I've linked it down in my Amazon links in the description below if you're interested in purchasing it. I get a whole pack because I honestly use this as an alternative throughout the whole week when I want rice. So that's what I'm gonna be using for my base. I've rinsed it and then I honestly just threw it into the microwave for about a minute and a half just to heat it up. I'm gonna add my chicken. As you can see, our chicken is nice and glistening and a little bit sticky. You get almost like a Chinese takeout vibe from this chicken. I'm gonna add it to my bowl. Then I'm going to add my crispy Brussels sprouts, some green onion. I always chop a bunch of green onion and I just put it on like everything throughout the week. I'm gonna put a little bit right there. Add some chopped cilantro if you like cilantro. And of course, every good protein bowl needs a sauce. So I'm gonna do a little spicy chili mayo sauce. I'm gonna take some of that gochujang and add it to mayonnaise. I do about 1/4 cup of mayonnaise to 1 tablespoon of gochujang. Let's give this a little stir. And there you have it, a delicious, really simple meal prep, a high protein, sweet chili chicken bowl. This is gonna be one of your go-tos, perfect for your macros or if you're on a low carb, keto friendly diet. Let me know what you guys think down in the comments below. You guys are gonna absolutely love this one. Let's do a taste test. I'm gonna get some of my rice, some of my chicken, a Brussels sprout, that delicious sauce. Now that's the perfect bite. Cheers. It's spicy, it's sweet, it's delicious. It is low carb and high in protein. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. Also hit that notification bell to never miss a tasty upload. Till next time.